Cramped quarters? No problem. Welcome to a world where size doesn't dictate style. First, embrace vertical space, use tall shelves, hang drapes from ceiling to floor. Second, multi-use furniture is your best friend. Think ottomans with storage, sofa beds, and expandable tables. Third, mirrors, mirrors, mirrors. They create an illusion of a larger space while adding a touch of elegance. Fourth, opt for light colors. They make your room feel airy and open. Lastly, don't forget the lighting. Layered lighting makes any room feel luxurious. Remember, a small home can still be a stylish haven.